Hello everybody, this is Nora and welcome back to another SheModern tutorial video as well as a giveaway. Yes, I am doing a giveaway on this video and I hope you're enjoying my nail art here over these false tips. I thought I'll have fun with these tips and also helps me get a little bit more advanced on my reviews and tutorials. So I hope you guys don't mind. Anyway, so jumping on to the giveaway. This is going to be international. I will have 10 winners, so 5 from the US and 5 international, okay? The prize will be a nail art foil of your choice. Remember, they come in various designs and colors. However, the only ones available now are the water decals types of foils, okay? You've seen me use, you will see me, obviously, like the ones I'm using on this tutorial right now. And the rules are you must be over 18, just as before, you must subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as SheModern's YouTube channel. And your subscriptions have to be public for me to be able to verify. All you have to do is comment below, enter me, and I will acknowledge your comment if you are a qualified entry with the little like. Okay, I will close this on Sunday the 29th. I will announce the winners for this. So thank you guys for participating. I hope you have fun. I wish you all good luck. Enjoy the rest of the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more and thank you for watching. I'll be talking to you in about a week. Bye-bye.